And then it's just a lot of driving today. Nothing too exciting. Actually, I am pretty excited about this house. Haven't seen it in a week. So everything should be painted. The backsplash that's going in is pretty slick, so I'll have to pick that up. Got to go to the bank. Here we come. Haven't seen the house in a week, and we're gonna pull in right now. We're going to be doing a Calcutta style tile all around. Down at the bottom we have rain pebbles, and then we're going to have a shower head that's up in the ceiling. About right there. Right there. We're going to keep this granite because it looks good. These are actually brand new doors. The guys just redid those. Well, actually, they didn't redo them. They took them off and put brand new doors on. So here's the master. We'll get tile all throughout, ceiling fan there. 2-panel style doors. This tile is going to be taken out. We're putting more tile on top of it. We got agreeable gray all over the house. Agreeable gray in here. Floor again, we're going to be putting tile down. Gonna lighten this place up. Where's my lights at? All the light bulbs are out. Welcome to construction. So they put new tops in. Rain shed there, cooktop there. Put a new fridge in here.
I said I like it like that. 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 I just you give it jack. Certify, you know I can. Touch the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name?
Oh, real quick, we are going to change that if anybody noticed that. That, so it's right there, needs to actually curl out like that. So we had to put backer board upstairs on the floor, little hardy board, same thing. They already finished the tile in here, which is awesome. Again, there's no lights. Welcome to construction. No, that one? This one? Nope. too high. Alright, a little bit better clarity. You can see the rocks on the bottom. Over there still nasty, but we're gonna clean all these out, clean those out again, and then see how it looks tomorrow.
Just start dumping my garbage and my personal manure over the fence.
So it's been a while, a few hours. I'm now over at our Stable Oak house, and I have to fix that thing because I broke one of the tabs while trying to put in the wires. So it doesn't work anymore. I get to upgrade. Whoop, whoop.
Like it's Johnny, drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget, but I can't get it out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that 'cause I'm not.
Remember to like, share, and comment if you want to see rehabs like this house. I'll show you next week, but right now, still under wraps. Peace.